Hi everyone, today's lesson is lesson 39, comparing fractions by drawing pictures. So here you can see on the left, 1/4 of my circle is shaded, and on the right, 1/2 of my circle is shaded. You can see that less of the circle on the left is shaded than the circle on the right. So I can use a comparison symbol to say that 1/4 is less than 1/2. So here I have the problem. Armando finished his math assignment in 1/3 of an hour. Jan finished the assignment in half of an hour. Who took longer to finish the assignment? Draw a picture to compare these fractions, 1/2 and 1/3. So you might think that 1/3 is greater than 1/2 because 3 is bigger than 2. But let's draw a picture to see if that's correct. So if I draw two rectangles, and I want them to be the same size, I'm going to divide the first one into half and the second one into thirds. Okay. And like I said, just do the best you can, getting those as close as possible. All right, so half of the first one is shaded and 1/3 of the second one is shaded. So you can see that 1/2 is actually greater than 1/3. Okay, because more of the rectangle is shaded. Okay. Here I have fractions written in order from least to greatest. So you can see we have 1/9, 1/8, 1/7, 1/6, 1/5, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2. So you can see that when the denominators decrease, the value of the fraction becomes larger. Or you can say when the denominator increases, the value of the fraction gets smaller. Okay, so we have 1/2 and 2/3. So let's draw my pictures. Okay, so we have half and then we have 2/3. And we shade it in. So you can see that 1/2 is less than 2/3. Okay. What about 1/3 and 1/4? So we draw my two rectangles. Divide the first one into thirds and the second one into fourths. Okay, so we have 1/3 and 1/4. So you can see that 1/4 is smaller. So that means that 1/3 is greater than 1/4. What about 1/2 and 2/4? So let's use circles this time. Okay, so 1/2 and then 2/4. You can see that 1/2 and 2/4 are the same, so we would say that these are equal to each other. Okay, and let's do 2/3 and 3/4. I'm going to use circles again, so you can use circles or squares. So 2/3, you divide this circle into thirds, and the next one into fourths. Okay, so 2/3 and then 3/4. So you can see that 3/4 has more of the circle shaded. So 2/3 is less than 3/4. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.